Uh, no, I think the municipal services, remain constant. They don't change. But the machinery or the equipment which do this service may change because of changing in technology. I mean that a new technology for municipal services can be served by mayor to do municipal services better. But some services, such as my service, have changed considerably in recent years. As I told you, the people nowadays don't go to bank. They can stay at home and do bank affairs through internet. I mean that the internet banking has been replaced with physical banking. Okay? Okay. When customers know your product and come to market and purchase it, the sale of products increased and companies started to earn money. In the majority, the sale and profit become constant, and after that, they started to decline. When they started to decline, we realized that a new technology is to come market. So this is the reason that in a stage of maturity, the many companies decide to invest on new market and new technology, and they decide to new product and change their older product to newer one to keep their profit and revenue. If name of a company has good reputation and people people know them as powerful companies such as Sony, Panasonic, Dell, HP, and something like this, they purchase the new product which belongs to this company. For example, when they are informed that Sony has offered a new product or has provided a new product to market, then many people, because know Sony as a powerful brand, go to market to purchase a new product of Sony. So it's very important for company to create a good name or make a good name in people's mind, or create a good reputation in people's mind, especially customers' mind. Through this, they can keep their revenue and profit. And they can ensure when they offer new product or new service to market, they will need and they will not lose or and their product won't fail in market because they have guaranteed their name and their product. Okay, the stage of introduction. Fine-tuning may warrant unusual expenses for research, product development, process modification and enhancement, and supplier development. Okay. In this stage, the other company try to invest on research and development, R&D. Marketing unit in this stage plays an important role in the market. The marketer should be very active to introducing products to market and the customers. If the process of service or production has problem, in this stage, this problem should be found and should be modified. Because if product have problem, and the company don't notice it and don't find the problem, customers purchase that and are not satisfied with the product. Because the product don't transfer to next stage or introduction stage. And in the stage of introduction, they fail. Because customers have purchased defective products and are not satisfied. And they don't purchase again this product from the company. It makes a bad reputation in mind and will be lost for company. Growth. Product design begins to stabilize. In this stage, design of product becomes stabilized and don't change very much. because customers know them now and are purchasing the product in large quantity. Effective forecasting of capacity becomes necessary. In this stage, they should forecast the number of future customers and try to increase the capacity of product line to produce more products. You can serve the more customers in market. On the other hand, adding or enhancing capacity may be necessary. Yes. If they think they should add a new product line, they should do this. Because their products have been successful and the number of customers is increasing day to day, and they should be served by companies. Maturity. Competitors now established. High volume, innovative production may be needed. Improved cost control, reduction in options, paring down of product line. It means that in this stage, when competitors see the new product of their competitors have been successful in the market, they started to duplicate. So the number of companies are serving this product to market increase day to day. So this is the reason that product reach the maturity. Decline. Unless product make a special contribution to organization, must plan to terminate offering. If the product is still money maker for company, they can continue the production. But if they think it's not so, they must plan to terminate operating product and go to invest on new technology for new products. So in this stage, they should invest on research and development unit to invent or discover new service or new product or new taste. Product by value analysis. List products in descending order of their individual dollar contribution to the firm. List the total annual dollar contribution of product. Helps management evaluate alternative strategy. Okay. In this analysis, company lists all of their products, its products, and then started to evaluate them by their individual dollar contribution to the firm. They check the production for those products are valuable and are money maker for company, and they remove and eliminate product that not be paid attention by people. This analysis also can help management evaluate alternative strategies. Also, they can list the strategies that they have established for the product, and then they can weight strategies and see whether they have been effective or not. They should remove useless strategies, and also they should boost the strategies that help them for increasing sales. This is an example for product by value analysis in Sam's Furniture Factory. The name of furniture factory is Sam. The product of the Sams are love seat, armchair, footstool, and recliner. They have listed them, and they have analyzed individual contribution of each of them in market, and also total annual contribution to their revenue or to their profit. For example, they can understand now the footstool has not been an effective product for them. So they can remove or they can eliminate the product line of footstool, and they can invest more or boost strategies for increasing for sale of recliner or love seat that have most contribution, that have had most contribution. New product opportunities. When company understand customer or customer needs, it can make an opportunity for them to produce new products. When the economic situation change, when sociological or demographic change, when technological change, political legal change, when market practice, professional standard, suppliers and distributors, each of them, when each of them change, it can make an opportunity for company to change their product. Imagine there is a downturn in economy in one country. In this situation, companies decided to produce less expensive products to be purchased by most of the customers, because the purchasing power of people in the country has decreased, and companies are aware about that. So they decide to produce less expensive products. On the other hand, imagine the demographic or sociological situation has changed. In this situation, many companies, for example, textile company or clothes company can produce clothes or goods which are new mode for young people. One of the students has asked how a product brings political and legal change. Products don't bring political and legal change. Why? Because the political and legal change bring new products. They are completely different. The product don't bring political and legal change, but political and legal change bring new products. For example, I can give an example. My country, Iran. Iran is an Islamic country. Okay, the government don't allow to alcoholic drinks are produced by companies inside Iran. Imagine one day the government come and change the political situation. The new government allow the company to produce alcoholic drink. In this situation, many companies invest on factory for producing, for example, red wine and something like this, beer and something like this. Okay, so the political and legal change make an opportunity for new products. Okay. In this situation, in any change, I mean that in any situation change, technological, sociological, political, brainstorming is a useful tool to understand opportunities for new products. In this situation, new idea comes to many people's mind for new products. Imagine a company has offered new product to market. Percentage of sales from new product has been illustrated by graph in this slide. Percentage of sales from new product in industry leader is about 50%. In top third is about 30%. In middle third is about 25%. And in the bottom third is about 10%. It means that the 10% of sales from new market legal change. One of the students has asked what is legal change. Legal is related to Parliament rules or Parliament's bill. One of the Parliament rule of Parliament bill change, and when they remove the limitations for products, it can make an opportunity for new products. I can give an example again. Islamic country. Ethics and environmentally friendly design. In designing new products for new customers, or because of the new because of customers' new needs, should be considered by engineers to consider ethics and design products which are environmentally friendly. It's possible to enhance productivity, drive down costs, and preserve resources. Effective at any stage of the product life cycle, design, production, and disruption. It means that companies shouldn't consider only its profit, but also they should consider environment and people's health. If they think the new products are harmful for environment or people, they should give up new product and try to modify the design of product. So ethical and environmental issues should be considered in design. Ethical approach. View product design from a systems perspective. Inputs, processes, outputs should be monitored, costs to firm, costs to society. They should weigh and consider the costs which are incurred by firm and the costs are incurred by society. If companies see the cost to society is more than the cost to firm, it's not ethical to continue the production of new goods or services. Also, they consider the entire life cycle of the product. They should consider the period, the length of period of life cycle. If it's short, no. Systems perspective means company point of view. It means that company should monitor product design from a stage of input such as raw material, also in the process, and also output. Systems perspective means from system that has been established by company point of view. The systems that they have established for purchasing input, produced in a stage of production, and also the final product. Okay? There is no example. We are explaining about the monitoring product design from company point of view. I mean that company should monitor and consider every stage, every system of production, system of input, such as purchasing raw material, monitor processes of manufacturing or production inside the company, and also they should monitor the outputs to not be defective for sale. And also they should evaluate cost to firm and cost to society for these products. On the other hand, they should consider the entire life cycle okay? Products that have short life cycle because they cannot earn money. Goals for ethical and environmentally friendly design. Develop safe and more environmentally sound products. Minimize waste of raw materials and energy. Reduce environmental liabilities. Increase cost effectiveness of complying with environmental regulations. Be recognized as a good corporate citizen. There are reforms or for ethical and environmentally friendly design. First is developing safe and more environmentally sound products. It can be profitable for company and consumer developing safe products. Because through this, customers trust company and purchase more. Through this, they can minimize waste of raw material. So they can reduce the cost of it. And also, it can be recognized as a good corporate citizen. So all of them can be profitable for company. Because all of these items can benefit the company and also customer and society. Guidelines for environmentally friendly design. Make products recyclable. It's better when you are going to produce a product, if it's possible for you, make products recyclable to use again and collect from environment. Use recycled materials. When you want to purchase raw materials, try to purchase recycled materials. Use less harmful ingredients or harmful raw materials. Use lighter components use less energy, use less material. So all of them can benefit you, and also you can decrease your cost through considering this item, this guideline. Use less harmful ingredients, use lighter components, use less energy, use less material, and something like this. Time-based competition. Product life cycles are becoming shorter and the rate of technological change is increasing. You should consider that the rate of technological change is increasing. So the product life cycle is becoming shorter. All of us feel this nowadays in new world. Developing new products faster can result in competitive advantage. So if your company invests on research and development unit to produce newer products, newer technology, it can result in a competitive advantage for you because you can attract more customers. The things that was done by Apple company. When Apple introduced tablets, iPod and iPad, it became a dominant company in market. Apple dominated market by introducing these new products. It achieved competitive advantage. And the right of producing this company was given only to Apple. It was the reason that Apple complained Carlzon for producing its technology. Service design. Service typically includes direct interaction with customers, increased opportunity for customization, reduced productivity. Cost and quality are still determined at the design stage. Delay customization, modularization, reduce customer interaction, often through automation. If service company can do customization, for example, when you go to restaurant, each food can be offered to you in different tastes. For example, salty, spicy, sour, and something like this. These are customization. Each food or each cuisine can be offered to customer based on his or her taste. On the other hand, in the design stage, in service, the cost and quality should be considered by managers when they are designing the service process for customers. Through automation, they can reduce customer interaction. As I gave an example to you, bank. In bank industry, the most of banks are offering internet banking to people to reduce customer interaction. And through this, they can satisfy all of the customers. Because through this, they can reduce time wait for customers. In some company, customers participate in design stage. For example, in can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, okay. Okay, I was explaining about service design. I told you in some service company, customer participate in design of service. For example, pre-arranged funeral services in some advanced countries such as United States of America. In some company, customer participation in delivery, such as stress tests for cardiac exam or delivery of a baby. For example, deliver a baby in hospital. They participate in delivery. And in some of the company, customers participate in both design and delivery, such as college education. Because they can choose in many university or many colleges, you can choose your subject in that semester and arrange your functions based on this selection, or financial management of personal affairs, and also interior decoration in your house. You can participate in both design and delivery. Sorry. One of the students has asked what is modularization. Modularization in this last slide. Okay, modularization. Okay, I'm sorry about it. I can't see. I didn't see. Modularization means style. Modularization means style. It means that you can select the size of or the volume of service that you want to offer to customers. You should create a selectable size for your services. In time that, especially when the customer increases unexpectedly. In this time, when you design the flexible service design, you can change the size of offering service, and you can offer more customers. Okay? Okay. Moments of Moments of truth. This concept was created by John Carlzon from Scandinavian Airways for first time. This concept means evaluation of critical moments between the customer and organization that determine customer satisfaction. The critical moments. There may be many of these moments in your work. You should recognize these moments and try to create these moments for customers. These are opportunities to gain or lose business. For example, when you are talking to customer in your company, in your service company, you will find out when you talk in this way, or when you offer something in this way, the customer are satisfied better. You should catch this moment, you should catch this moment, and you should record this moment and evaluate them, and you should list these moments and recognize them for better service to customers, because these moments are opportunities. Okay, these moments are known as moments of truth. Transition to production. The company should know when to move to production, when to move to new production. Product development can be viewed as evolutionary and never complete. Product must move from design to production in a timely manner. Product must move from design to production in a timely manner. Most products have a trial production period to ensure productivity. Develop tooling, quality control, training, and also ensure successful production. Then you know The best time to move to new production, you should arrange or establish strategies for them. The product development never completes because every day new technology is coming to market. You should develop tooling, quality control, and training for employees to update their knowledge and their science for new technology. So you should consider this. Responsibility must also transition as the product moves through its life cycle. Line management takes over from design. Three common approaches to managing transition: project manager, product development team, and integrate product development and manufacturing organization. There are three common approaches to managing transition to new products in a company. Project managers should arrange everything. Product development teams should start their work for developing new machinery, new equipment in the production line, and at the end, we should integrate product development and manufacturing organization. For producing new products. It's very clear and easy. Okay. The chapter finished now. Okay. The chapter finished now. As I promised you, I had prepared a exercise for process control, as you see in this slide, and I was going to do this exercise in early time of class, but unfortunately, most of the students came late to class, and I couldn't do this. So, because we have not enough time now, and it takes a long time to be solved, please let me explain a little about this exercise for you, and I emailed this exercise. Please do yourself at home and send your answer to me. Next week we will discuss about answer of this question, answer of this exercise. Okay. This company okay. Okay. Imagine, okay, I told you there is an exercise about the statistical process control, the lab chapter. There is I explained a little about this exercise. I emailed you, I sent an email to you this board, and please do this exercise and send to me your answer. Next week, we will discuss about answer of this exercise, okay? Imagine a company is producing cylinders. They want to control variable of diameter of this cylinder. 8 times the manager did sampling, or they did 8 sampling. In each sampling, they selected 5 cylinders to take them to laboratory and measure their diameter. All of the data have been recorded by managers, have been brought in this table. In sampling number 1, X is diameter. I have written for you in this footnote. X equal variable diameter. X1 is diameter of cylinder 1 in sampling 1. X2 is diameter of cylinder 2. X3 cylinder 3 until end. You should calculate X bar for each sampling. Sampling number 1, sampling number 2, sampling number 3 until 8. When you calculate X bar, after that you should calculate X bar bar. And by use of this formula, you should calculate UCL and LCL. When you calculate UCL and LCL, you have UCL, you have LCL, and you have X bar bar. You should draw your chart exactly according to text, according to a slide that I gave you. After that, you should calculate R, range, for each sampling. If you remember, I told you range is difference between maximum and minimum number in each sampling. When you calculate range for each sampling, you should sum okay. Be sure I sent you formula and this exercise. I wrote the formula below this table for you. Okay, I will write the formula for you below this table in this file and then send to you. Please calculate X bar bar and R bar, and by use of X bar and R chart, write your answer and explain the process is under control or not, and why. Bring your reasons. It's very easy and it takes only 1 hour. Everything is clear and I explained you about that. Okay. Sigma has given to you, Z has been given to you. You should guess N or sample size. How much is sample size here? Anybody knows? How much is sample size, or N? I put a question mark because I want to see you know that or not. How much is sample size or n here? Anybody know? How much is sample size? N. Hello, everybody. No, not 8. Sample size, very good, 5. Sample size is 5, not 8. Be careful about that. Because in each sampling, you have selected 5 cylinders. In each sampling, you have selected 5 cylinders. So the sample size is 5. N is 5. Okay? Okay. So, I will send you this exercise. Please do that and send me back email your answer. We will discuss the answer next week. Okay. Thank you for your participation in the class. The class has been finished. I hope have a nice time with your family. Have a nice night. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Tell me no, send to me email and ask your question. Okay. Have a nice time, guys. Goodbye and good night.